What's the word? What are we doing?
Got to go walk our Corona house we just bought with our contractor, so we can tell him what we want to do to the house, and he can start demo tomorrow.
Smells horrible. Another standard SJO flip.
Here we are. What's going on, everybody? I'm Scott Oots. I'm out here in Corona, California with my contractor, Brian Espinoza with Halo Construction. Make sure you guys reach out to Halo if you guys are doing any construction in the SoCal area. He's the guy I trust to do all of my flips. We're gonna walk the house and show you what this one's all about.
Looks like another renovation for us here.
Right? We got some roof leaks, it looks like. So we'll have to get those fixed. I already reached out to the roofer. He's gonna come out like next weekend. So, all right. So lighting, as we talked about, flooring. You said we should do laminate, right?
Yeah, well actually we'll do probably a luxury vinyl tile or plank. That way we can use it. It can be used in wet areas, stuff like that. It's perfect for kitchen and baths.
So we can match the same thing through the bathrooms.
So we can match that upstairs. We'll have a consistent flooring. It'll look good.
Okay, great. And then if we take down all the blinds, it'll get some more light in here. So we'll take them down, maybe have you guys patch all the holes up and stuff.
Yeah,
so
we'll do all the drywall texture, mud.
And then since we're in here real quick, I will give you $50 to lick whatever it is on this wall right here.
You wanna go with that's a no for me?
How about no?
I was ready to pay, dude. I got it right here. I'm not gonna make you wait. 5? Take a 5?
You know, my new wife will be watching this, and she's not gonna kiss me with this tongue if I lick on that. So I'll tell you what, if you lick it, I will give you $50 off your renovation.
Can I get the cash up front?
Sure.
So let's take that off the wall.
We'll paint it, don't worry about it.
And then, so since these are a little old school, we can change those out. White.
Yeah, we'll put all brand new flat decor on there, new rocker switches, so.
Okay, and then baseboards down here, since we're doing the laminate.
All new base on top, obviously new light fixtures. We'll do some cool hanging chandelier here to replace this for their dining room table.
All right. Then in the kitchen, we had a little fun in here already. You know how, like when ships first take off the first time, they break a bottle over the hole?
What, are you gonna break a door? No, hold on, I got something you can actually hit it with.
This won't work?
No, it's gonna look stupid.
Oh, man.
Scott wants to break things, you gotta bring him a real tool.
Let's have some fun. Let's tear this up. You ready?
Let's do it. Demo.
This is how we start demo.
Yeah! Yeah!
All right, now you put a hole in the wall, Brian.
Oh, I did, huh? Oh well, these need to come out anyways for the new counters. Yeah, we don't need that. That away. Don't worry, we got plenty of drywall here to fix.
All right, give it another hit.
All right, here you go. Also, should wear safety glasses.
Oops!
You'll clean this up, right?
My guys will. You wanna take a swing, Code?
Yeah, let me take a swing.
Ready, go.
That works.
That was a good shot, man.
You can see his face. So this is salvageable, right?
No, it's all going away. All right.
All right, here's our kitchen. What happens when you let your video guy come in? He just bashes things. We weren't even gonna replace that. So, granite top. Probably do one of the standard granites we do, and then the sink will replace, right?
Yeah, it'll all be new, so we'll leave the same bar height like this, or we could lower it depending what you wanted, if you wanted to make it all countertop.
It would actually be kind of cool to lower it.
So since
And
we're
make it
taking
just one piece.
yeah, we could do like a 136-inch piece here, so they can have island seating instead of the bar seating. Might make it a little more open.
That'd actually be really cool. I think that would make it look really good.
It's not going to make, we'll just cut the wall down and rebuild it. So all new counters, appliances. We'll make sure all the cabinets get refaced, repainted, new drawer slides. Everything will go smooth.
Will they paint the inside of the cabinets?
We will paint the inside of the cabinets. On that, especially on these. We'll put all new hinges on them. And then we'll also put a hood here instead of a microwave because this obviously is not meeting code.
So you bring up a good point because I'm not familiar with this and you are, that's why I hire you. So obviously having the fridge here, I would think this is fine. So why wouldn't that be fine for a project?
Well, the microwave's just way too close to the top of your heat source here. You don't want to be cooking. Also, it's going to be hard to fit any sort of pots and pans under there. So it was originally done here for a hood. You could tell this was the proper height at one time. So we'll just put it over the range hood and take care of that because that'll be something that'll get called out.
So the range hood doesn't come down as far as the microwave?
Nope. It's gonna look,
what do you think we should do with the backsplash? Should we do the backsplash that comes with the granite or should we do a tile?
I think for the expense, it's not that much and we should do a cool tile backsplash. I think it'll
Maybe
pop
like
a little bit more.
Long subway tiles or
Some
something like
long subway tiles will go with the courts. I think the buyers will love that.
Okay, and then for this here, what do you suggest we do with these old school lights?
Obviously, we'll take down the old fake flower shades. So we'll get rid of the fluorescence and ideally it'd be nice to trim those in with maybe 4 can lights and some crown around the top so it actually looks like it's finished. We'll get rid of all the moldings, everything like that so it looks good, but we're not gonna raise the ceiling. Yeah, go ahead and pull that down. One last thing we gotta do tomorrow.
Ugh, nope, it's in there.
We'll demo this tile out, get rid of it. It's up to you, Scott. We could do a new tile, something here. Maybe do like a new little box mantle to make it look nice and maybe do the matching subway tile on top. Go ahead and paint
Do you think
the
if
gold.
we painted this, it would look good and we just replace the tile? Because mantles are pretty expensive, right?
It can be. But I think the tile's got to go for sure.
Because we can't do laminate all the way up there, right? It has to have for sparks.
What we could do is if we should probably have some extra over to counter is just put the piece of countertop right there.
Perfect. So countertop there and then the tile.
Piece of granite or quartz to go out in front.
And then can we paint this black versus replacing it?
We sure can. We'll just use a high heat paint for it.
Okay, and then we can refinish the inside of that too because it looks pretty bad.
Yeah, we'll get it cleaned out.
That's a lot of ash. We might need to have a chimney guy come out and clean that out too, huh?
It wouldn't hurt to check because it'll get checked on your inspection.
Okay, what did we say we're doing with the doors? We're gonna refinish the doors, right?
Yeah, all the doors get repainted, but we'll put new hardware on them, so new handles, probably new hinges unless they're in good shape.
Do we have a way of like either replacing the track or is it better just to clean it?
We'll either,
It's like this is
if the
actually,
doors are in good enough shape and we can paint them, we can just replace the tracks. But they've got a lot of gunk and hardware on them. We might just end up replacing the actual doors themselves.
okay. Looks like there's something right here too, so it's a leak from upstairs.
My guess is the bathroom above it is upstairs, so they at one time they either had a shower, tub, toilet leak, some sort of water leak drained in there.
Right here above your head.
Both sides.
Some of these blinds actually don't look too bad. It's just they start to yellow over time. So probably for the light, it's better to take them out. Wallpaper.
So all the wallpaper, new countertops, get rid of the tile floor, take the mirrors down, take the vanity down, or not the vanity light, medicine cabinet.
Okay.
We'll remove the shower doors, and then we will reglaze the tub and shower.
Okay, and then we said new toilets, right?
Always new toilets.
All the way. Did we say we were gonna repaint these or we were gonna replace them? What did we say on that?
Definitely doing new tops, but we were gonna try to keep the vanities.
Okay, perfect. And then these, I know we talked about this, but I don't remember. Did we say we were gonna try to get new ones versus patching it?
We're gonna see if we can find some that'll fit there. We can put new ones in, if not, we'll patch it. I think that's kind of...
I think it's good to have the storage if it's gonna cost around the same price. But if it's gonna, be cheaper one way or the other, then
Okay.
we can figure it out. Because I think it's, for the storage, it's really good. And if they just, honestly, just pop in real quick.
They pop in and out. There's just a couple of screws on each side right here.
Oh, there they are.
We'll take those out, it'll pop out. If we have to do a little patching around it, we're gonna have to end up re-drywalling this whole thing too, because most likely with the glue and everything and taking the drywall off.
So why do you think this feels so short right here? What is this? Look at that.
Looks like something they almost added later, unless they used it to bring in, we could look in the garage or something, maybe they had to use it to bring in some sort of ductwork or piping, but that's the only reason I can imagine why they would
It's
lower
like
it.
it's not even like...
If you want, during demo, we can pop a hole in there and
Yeah,
see.
take a look, because if that can come out, that'd probably make a pretty big difference.
It'd make a huge difference down here.
It feels really short. Maybe it's just because we're too tall. Obviously, I don't really want to replace it. What do you think we can do with this?
I think we can paint it, make it look a lot cleaner and fresher. maybe paint the handrail one color and paint these black so it has a nice clean pop to it.
Okay, I like that. Yeah, black like gloss or something. And then white on this and then white on that.
Yeah. Like a nice black and white look would look cool going up the stairs.
Okay, and then the white here, and then when you paint the cabinets, this top will be painted, right?
Yep. It's great linen storage too. It's still in good shape, so there's no reason not to.
Oh yeah, I'd rather keep it than
sand
take
it and
out.
repaint it. Oh, okay.
Those cocaine or baby powder all over the floor?
You want me to roll that $50 bill up and let you find out?
Who does like that, man?
This closet looks better. It looks like it almost just needs new wheels.
Yeah, sometimes they just need replacement parts. It's not that big a deal. Yeah, they don't even have any wheels in the back on that side.
Then all this stuff, and then they'll repaint these.
Yep.
Okay.
We'll take all this down. We'll replace all the switch cover plates and switches will get replaced with new ones to make sure everything's working order.
And then I think we'll go the black handles.
Black handles?
Should we do black hinges too, or should we just let the hinges paint white?
Usually just paint them white.
Okay, let's do that then. And then so we'll do black handles in this one.
All right.
I think the black looks a little bit better.
I think it'll look good too with the handrail.
Yeah. So this, actually it's not that bad on the wall.
It might be glued and nailed.
It's nailed.
Ooh. Okay.
That's not too bad then. I thought that was gonna be glued. So if it's just nailed in, that's better. Been on there for a long time. Okay, so then I guess we'll take all that down. If you
Paint
want to,
texture.
you want to take any of this and use it in another house, feel free. I won't charge you much.
Well, that's not much. Cody, you want to get a picture of yourself? Let everybody know who's the man behind the camera.
I can just take that down real quick so he doesn't get
I was going
full of
to, but
himself.
these screws that have probably broke the glass, and then I'm bleeding. So this might be the problem bathroom, or I think that where we saw the leak from downstairs.
Yeah, it was over here, right?
Yeah, you can see there's a little bit of deviation in the subfloor.
Okay. So you gotta lift it all up.
We'll demo it and see what's going on with it.
Okay. And then we'll take out the glass before they refinish it. Refinish the cabinet.
Finish the cabinets, hopefully new shower heads, stuff like that. Finish new counters, new mirror, do over the sink light.
And then, so fire alarms. We need them in the bedrooms, right? So bedrooms and hallways?
And also we'll need a carbon monoxide in the hallway. Those are always on the list.
This is gonna look good once it's done. Okay.
What did you want to do on this, Scott? We had talked about it last time. Did you want to see if
Tell
we
me
can-
what you can do. You think this is load bearing or anything? Or
No,
you
I don't think so. I think it's just an architectural detail they had, but we'll open it up and see. I think in the worst case scenario, if we can at least get rid of this arch and give you some headroom walking through here, it'll look better, but if we can just pull it out and there's
Yeah, I
no-
mean, I'm
there's
definitely
nothing to
fine
it.
if that's here.
So,
Yeah, that would look way better because it can just be open versus this feels so closed off and then it's got that weird space.
yeah, and there's one less thing for people to clean up top.
Okay. And then same thing, refinish, fix those things. New faucets and stuff too, right?
All new faucets,
Okay.
new medicine cab. One thing we definitely will be tearing out is the carpet next to the toilet. I don't even want to know what's in that carpet right now. That's going.
Then obviously they had some problems here, it looks like.
A lot of moisture issues.
Okay. And we said we're gonna do the laminate through, is that what we said?
Yep, we'll do laminate all through the bathroom area and the toilet closet, and we'll probably just go ahead and carry it right into the closet, make it easy. And then out in the bedrooms will be all carpet.
Okay. Probably need to figure out what this is. Because there's that and it's over here too. This one's actually got a hole.
This is probably from a roof leak, dude. That had to be a roof leak at one time.
So we'll see what the roofer
If you
says.
see where that's at compared to where that's at,
I'll let him in the house to make sure that he can.
you can walk around and see what's what.
I feel like this house would look cool like a white and black.
I do remember we're gonna have to repair some of the stuff up here.
Yeah,
the
you
dry
say cut
rot.
the end of it off or something.
Yeah, we'll have to cut the ends and figure out that fascia board, and then all through here we're gonna have to replace this. Get a shot of this, Cody. You can see just my finger, it's been rotted out.
Oh, that's not good. That's why he had the thing disconnected, I think. Got it. Woo! Yeah! All right, backyard. Did we say we're gonna paint the whole thing? I think that's what we said.
Yeah,
right?
we're gonna paint all the exterior of the house.
Okay.
All the trim, fascia, stucco, everything gets painted.
That light fixture's actually not bad. We'll just keep this.
Okay.
It's pretty, I think they actually painted that light fixture. And then all this will get gone. A lot of beehives around this house. Any other outside light fixtures we need besides front?
There should be one over the man door on the side of the garage.
That one looks good too. I'll try to see if I can look back at the last full flip we did and try to figure out what paint colors we used.
Okay.
I need to keep those on like a spreadsheet or something. We'll probably just go with like standard like grays and stuff like that.
So we're probably looking at about 2 to 3 days of demo, and then we'll start putting it back together. Should be done with this whole project in roughly 30 days.
What's going on, everybody? I'm excited to get started on this Corona flip. Thank you for watching part 1. We are gonna start demo here shortly, and we will keep you guys in the loop. We will keep shooting footage so you guys can see exactly what happens. Make sure you guys hit subscribe so you can see exactly what the outcome is.